Profuse watery diarrhea gives great relief to the patient. Violent itching of hairy scalp, eyes get worse from sunlight, sneezing in sunshine, stomach so irritated nothing would stay on it an instant. After drinking coffee, pain in abdomen as if diarrhea would set in. Medicine Mercurius sulphuricus, also known as Turpethum. होम्योपैथी अपनाएं, बीमारियों से छुटकारा पाएं. Hello, welcome to my channel on homeopathy. If you are not subscribed, subscribe to the channel now. The purpose of knowledge shared here is only educational and to increase awareness. Please always consult your doctor before taking any medicine. Self-treatment may always be injurious. Today, you will learn a few important symptoms of the medicine Mercurius sulphuricus, also known as Turpethum, which may be very helpful in our daily life. So please crush the like and share this video. Now let us go to the video. Medicine Mercurius sulphuricus, also known as Turpethum. Mercurius sulphuricus Turpethum is as important as arsenic in dropsies of the chest. Pain in right chest extending to scapula, he can scarcely breathe, worse 4 to 5 p.m. When Mercurius sulphuricus acts well, it produces a profuse watery diarrhea with great relief to the patient. Hydrothorax depending on liver or heart affections. Soreness of tip of tongue. Edema of legs. Scanty and scalding urine but clear. Aggravation in afternoon 4 to 5 p.m. Amelioration by profuse diarrhea. Dyspnea. After diarrheic stools there is numbness of legs, soreness and heaviness through the head after breakfast and when walking about. Violent itching of hairy scalp. Are you enjoying this video? So please subscribe to the channel and leave your like. Pain in head under coronal suture. On waking in morning, during forenoon, confined to right frontal region. Pains dull, extending deep into brain. Worse when exercising. Oppression over eyes. Eyes worse from sunlight. Burning in ears and in face after a chill. Sneezing in sunshine with fluent coryza. Swelling and soreness of tip of nose. Itching of nose. Pale, anxious continence. Swelling of parotid gland. Gums and palate dark bluish, black, ulcerated margins. Mouth clammy and full of mucus in morning. Burning, smarting, stinging pain on tip of tongue, left side in evening. Soreness on tip of tongue. Tongue greenish yellow down middle. Tongue coated white heavily. Tongue yellowish at root. The enlarged papillae stand up like red points with flat taste in mouth and a reduced pulse. Lips, gums, faces, mouth and tongue swollen. Look dry and black. salivation, mercurial fetor of breath, heat and sensation of constriction in throat, dryness of tongue and throat, burning in mouth and throat, violent yellow vomiting, stomach so irritated nothing would stay on it, an instant pain, weight in stomach, tenderness, vomiting and diarrhea, digestion impeded after supper, a distressing feeling all night that unless the stomach was relieved a fit would ensue, vomiting with relief, acidity of the stomach, coldness or burning in the abdomen, woke 1 a.m. with severe pains along the duodenum to the umbilical region, soreness in inguinal glands. Did you like this video? So crush the like and share this video. After drinking coffee, pain in abdomen as if diarrhea would set in, stools soft and earlier in morning than usual, sudden and violent pressing to stool while walking, compelling him to stand still, causing an anxious perspiration. Later the stools are forcibly gushing out in a hot burning stream of yellow water, followed by great debility, hiccup and belching. Stools loose, watery, causing severe burning and soreness of anus. After the diarrheic stools, sensation of fullness as from congestion to legs, especially feet, they feel numb when standing. Violent purging, rice water motions, some yellow, diminished secretion of urine, does not micturate frequently but has constant pressure, urine dark, becoming turbid with a scum on it, increased secretion of urine without a sediment, urine is scanty and scalding but clear, gonorrhea and syphilitic diseases with great congestion to the parts, swelling of testicles, involuntary emission and lascivious dreams. Dear friends, your support means a lot to us, and I would like to ask you to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel. It is completely free. Roughness in throat and hoarseness, sensation of heat in larynx, increased expectoration of mucus from larynx and trachea, burning in chest, pain in the chest prevents him from breathing, pain in the right side of the chest extending to the scapula, can scarcely breathe, aggravation from 4 to 5 p.m., pressure on chest, dyspnea in children, hydrothorax, great dyspnea, has to sit, cannot lie down, breathing quick and short, numbness in left forearm and hand, later numbness in right hand, hands icy cold with blue nails, stiffness in arms, pain in knees and lameness especially when walking, foot sweat with soreness at ends of the nails, ulcers on ankles, most pains feel as if a dull stick pressed on the parts and were moving in diverse curved lines, It feels as if this pain were in the bones. Debility with sleepiness, rheumatic pains, induration of the glands, psoriasis, lepra, frequent yawning and great sleepiness in the afternoon, sleeplessness after midnight, awakens with a headache in the morning, chilliness running up back with yawning and depression of spirits, followed by dull pain in the forehead, burning in face and ears, and slight fever, chilliness, restlessness, and heaviness in the upper part of abdomen, frequent yawning and diminished secretion of urine in the afternoon, excessive sweat at night. Dose: medicine Mercurius sulphuricus, also known as Turpethum, 6, 12 and 30 potency, 1 to 5 drops in 10 ml water on empty stomach or as advised by your doctor. A hug, stay with God, and until the next video, bye. Thank you very much.